Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to start playing chess on Duolingo. So if you've ever wanted to learn chess while using the app, follow along step by step to get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Duolingo app on your phone or tablet. You'll land on the main learning screen where you usually continue your language lessons. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a flag icon showing the language you're currently learning. For example, the Spanish flag if you're learning Spanish. Tap on the flag. A new menu will appear with different options. Scroll through and find the chess option, then tap it to continue. Duolingo will now take you to a chess setup screen. Before you start playing, it might ask you a few simple questions to figure out your chess level. For example, you might be asked how much you already know about chess, with options like beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Pick the option that fits you best. Next, you'll be asked where you want to start. You can begin from the very basics, or let Duolingo recommend a starting point based on your answers. If you're new to chess, it's best to start from the beginning so you can learn all the rules step by step. Once you've made your choices, Duolingo will load the chess learning interface. From here, you can start learning how to play chess in a fun and interactive way. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll be playing chess on Duolingo in no time.